Folks, I am stoked, so excited to show you the brand new, just to RHRSwag.com, CalTrend Diamond Quilted seat covers. Definitely want to stress to you, not all seat covers are built the same, and these are a great example. With the setup that we have just installed on this gorgeous new Ford F-150, these seat covers fit like a glove, OE level fit. They are custom built, cut to precision, and fit absolutely every contour, crack, and absolutely finesse the interior of your vehicle. Whether it's this Ford, whether you've got an SUV, even a car, we have the quilted seat covers for you. This is actually a very popular leatherette material that CalTrend has been using for years. It's very, very strong, very, very thick stitching, and of course, comfort is the #1 name of the game with leatherette. 3/8 of an inch backing on all seat surfaces. Again, customization is key with updating your interior. So with these made in America right out of Santa Ana, California, these seat covers are found in 9 different unique colors, and you can get 8 different patterns as far as inserts to match the outside of the seat covers too. So whatever color, whatever style you are looking for, CalTrend's quilted setup has it. Another thing I like to point out with their seat covers is kind of hard to see here. I'll move her ahead just a tish. They actually do have a fit that'll work right around your seat airbags. So if you ever are in a spot and those bags do deploy, they will actually not destroy your seat covers. Of course, why would we do just the front? We got the rear row as well. Really great system setup. It's going to be super easy ordering with RHRSwag. We pick the rows for you, so all you have to do is punch in your vehicle seat configuration. Whether you might have an armrest in the middle, whether you have a split seat, bucket seats as we do up front, we've got you covered. Another great thing about these that you aren't going to get with everybody for the opening price point is going to be those map pockets in the back of the front row. So again, folks, absolutely stunning setup that we have for you here. Abrasion, UV resistant. It's going to protect your seats from the kiddos. It's going to protect your seats from the pet's claws, from you spilling your coffee every now and then. We've all been known to mess up our seats. Keep your seats protected. You paid a ton for your vehicle. Why not do it? Check these out. We've got a ton more, and join us with RHRSwag.com.